I'm currently working on the 2019 Kia Forte low beam replacement for LED. There should be a cover behind the headlight. It just twists off. Just place that right there. Twist the light bulb just like you normally do when you change out light bulbs. I actually currently have it installed currently. This is the light bulb itself for the LED. This bulb is a 9005 and it is literally plug and play. Let me adjust the camera. So this is the stock outlet right here, and this is where the CAN bus goes right here. This is the converter. I just shoved that in the hole. Of the headlight housing. Then you take it, and you just twist it in there. And then once you get it in there, you'll know that it's actually fully in there when you pull back and you make sure that it's not coming out. And you take your cover again, which has the rubber seal, and then you twist it on just to make sure it's watertight. Make sure there's no red popping through of the seal, and you are good to go. I will be doing the high beam here in a couple days or so, and I'll show you how all that works.